today on air filters. This is the new, this is the old. Okay, so difference between the two right there. This right here was part of the new one. I cut it off to make it the new one fit. On the bottom here, there's a bracket. That bracket right there, that's dangling, that's the bottom. That's how it looks on the outside. It's going in here. Okay, we got a good fit. Now it's about getting it clicked in the bottom. Okay, so give me a second here. I'm gonna try to get it done. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're coming at it again. So I'm looking at the airbox. It's kind of got a lot of pressure that I got to push. Got the bottom. Got the top, one top. Gonna get the side. There's four. There's one bottom bracket and there's two on each side of it. Going for the side bracket on the fender side. Okay, and then this top. Okay, I don't know how much of that you saw, but those are the two brackets. One bracket there, there's one on the side down there. There's one right here. There's one in there, down there. Reached in from underneath. See my arm? Reached in from underneath. Our steering fluid reservoir right beside it. Underneath, you can stick your hand in there at the expense of getting it dirty. The one on the very bottom is, as we saw earlier, or may not have saw it, depending. It's on the bottom. Click. So then there's this piece. There's the air inlet. Okay. I don't even understand. Okay, so I've got two. This air inlet goes into the actual engine take, and then this one, there's two of them. I don't believe it. There's two intakes. Okay. All right. What? All right. So I didn't mention that. There's just two intakes. So I'm gonna see if I can get this piece onto these two things connected properly, okay? And when I do, they just slide in there, okay? But I was having trouble the other night connecting these two, but they're supposed to be connected like that, okay? That's it, pretty much. And then bracket, there's one more bracket. So let me grab it 1 second. Ow! Okay. Delayed response. All right, so this bracket goes somewhere. Yeah, it goes in here. Okay. And that is it. So I will conclude this video. Any questions? Leave them in the bottom. Thank you.